Hi, this is Happy Vegan Butterfly. I wanted to talk a little bit about the concept of animals as our neighbors. I was reading a Bible verse today that says, love your neighbor as yourself. And St. Francis called the birds his sisters, and he called all animals his brothers and sisters. So animals are our neighbors too. The rest of the verse says, serve one another humbly in love. Love your neighbor as yourself. So we serve the animals, we serve them and love them by speaking up for them, by defending them. I love you too. And by taking care of them. And we love them as our neighbors by being vegan and by taking a stand against the violence the animals face. So when we say love your neighbor as yourself, we're including the pigs and the cows and the chickens and the fishes
I love you.
and the dogs and the spiders. And all animals are our neighbors too, right? They're our neighbors too. So we love our neighbors as ourselves.
White hands.
Look at your hands. Yeah, they're glowing.
Let's do ghosty.
Can you say love your neighbor as yourself?
I love ghosty flower.
Can you say that?
Love yourself.
Love your neighbor.
Ghosty,
Love your neighbor as yourself.
Ghosty flower. Ghosty
This includes
flower.
all species.
I want ghosty flower.
Love you, beautiful
Ghosty
people.
flower.
Be kind. Be
Ghosty
vegan.
I'm ghosty flower.
Can you say be kind, be vegan?
Yeah. Go cat and go vegan.
Vegan!
That's how